Hey, to transfer ownership of the Google Drive folder, all you have to do is just to select the folder that you want to transfer and then click on it with the right mouse button. Then click to share and tap share button. Now add someone from this suggestion list or simply manually input the email. And after this, select send. After this, click on it one more time and you will get this information on the right side, who has access. If for some reason you don't have it, click on it with the right mouse button and you will have to click on the folder information and view details. Now click on the manage access. Then from here, you will have to click on this second person, click on this edition, and then select transfer ownership. And now just click to send invitation. And as you can see, will be the owner until this person accepts the ownership. So right now, this ownership invitation will be sent into this email, and this person actually must to access the Google Drive, the Gmail, and accept the ownership. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.